folks, we're back with more shenanigans. Forgive me, my drawer's a complete mess. This is the hammer, plier, poker drawer, whatever you may want to say. More garbage on the floor. Yeah, anywho, I need to get a hold of Snap-on, man. Ethan's got to get out here and get me on them. Wicked cool. I don't know if you've seen them. I just seen them on the Snap-on truck a few weeks ago for the first time. Wicked cool, full-length drawer plier racks. Wicked cool. They were metal. Nice powder coat finish. I figured they were exactly what I needed. Spread open. They're on there. Right there. Okay, got that started. That's the hard part. If you ask me, that's the hard part at least. No, we're not stabbing a hole in the boot. We're simply trying to get this here clamp on. Oh, of course it jumped off on me. And it's going to fight us. Okay, now we just got to stay on there. That is your home. That is your home. Why don't you stay on there? Let's see if we can get this in here for y'all. Yeah, heavy, my wrist hurt. So I hope you got a good enough gander at that. That's 1 out of 2 down. My wrist already hurts like a bitch. Pardon my French. So this one can go over here. And we'll bring the other one over. Alright folks, sorry for the short delay, but we're back. You know, I gotta give it to this Harbor Freight US General 34-inch tech cart, roll cart, whatever they call it, single bank cart. There's already a lot of weight in this drawer, starting with the PWZs all the way over to the soft face dead blow hammers. Dual face mallet, whatever you want to call it, dead blow hammer. All sorts of pliers, the impact driver. 2 different kits right here. There's probably, with the drawer and the weight in it, 50 pounds right here with this drawer on an average day. And then I just do a, I don't know, 30-pound hub or shock assembly up here, strut assembly, whatever you want to say. And it's taking it, guys. It's like a dirty whore. It's taking it. One down, one to go. You know, this is that shit that makes people hate being mechanics. Like, honestly. I think I can personally say that now. There's number 2, guys. Check it out. Yes, right there around the tensioner, it's a little wonkus, but you know what? All in all, it's all the way around. The clamps on that little metal piece, or the press fit together of the shock dampener and the whole assembly, whatever. This is why my plier drawer is a mess. Now it's organized. Somebody that's always so organized. Yeah, you wonder why. Stay tuned.